Some human beings prefer to work alone, and some prefer interaction with other people. Irrespective of their wishes in this respect, data scientists have to collaborate closely with their peers and interface with non-data scientists. Simply put, a data scientist cannot work alone. You will have to work with company executives to develop strategies, work with product managers and designers to create better products, work with marketers to launch better converting campaigns, work with client and server software developers to create data pipelines and improve workflow. You will literally have to work with everyone in the organization, including your customers. Remember that data science projects are not a one-man game, and it requires different subject matter experts to bring their respective expertise to the table as an effective data science team. This comes only after a team is united. Let's say you may be a data scientist who specialized in model building and optimization but has little idea on what data engineering looks like. And there comes a day when you want to learn more about the technical aspect of data pipeline and architecture to perform certain tasks. Now, instead of Googling on Stack Overflow and Quora to frantically search for answers alone, you could actually seek advice from any team member who is experienced in this technical knowledge and learn from him, her. And there comes the importance of having a strong team that communicates effectively. Much like communication, teamwork is vital to a successful data science career. It requires being selfless, embracing feedback, and sharing your knowledge with your team.